But for building products, workshops are really, really important because what they allow you to do is, first of all, just take a step back. Before you even start building the product that you think might be the right one, it's first of all actually uncovering what is it you're trying to achieve, and then how are you going to measure that success. So you take it back a step and just work out what are the aims that you're trying to achieve as a business, what's the problem you're trying to solve, and looking at that, then breaking that down into, say, what's your first year goal and your 3-year goal. And that really helps you to guide along the way of when you're having to make decisions over, say, what feature should you build, X or Y. You can hold yourself accountable against that objective. Is X going to really achieve that, or actually is it Y? The workshops are really important because you have that help and support, that facilitation that we offer and require to help guide you along that way to get to that point where you can define a roadmap based on the right decisions. We offer the technical expertise, both technical and from the product side, and also the management side of it all, to help provide those insights of what not only your business might need, but looking at the user's perspective as well.